My plans for the Storke Dairy is to turn it back into a working ranch and start up a meat processing facility, which I believe that this valley is in desperate need for. Mike and I have been very busy as far as cleaning up the pastures and cleaning out the slough, fixing fence. We've put in a flagpole and got our American flag and the state of Nevada flag flying, and we've done quite a bit of electrical work and gotten some lights and a few other modifications. We have found all sorts of neat things. Between the old wooden gates with the handmade hinges, we found some neat little hay equipment and rakes. The manure spreader, I think, is probably one of my favorite that we found. So many of these things have been made out of wood and metal wheels is another big thing. So it's really neat to see them, and when we've moved them, a lot of the gears are still working, and it looks like they can be up and running with just a little bit of TLC.